Welcome sa zip9.com. This video ay magsimula tayo ng panibagong series, yung multiplication of fractions. No? So, sa multiplication of fractions, I think this is the easiest among the four operations. Dahil napakasimple niya. No? Sa multiplication of fractions, just multiply the numerator. 1 times 3 is 3. Tapos multiply the denominator. 2 times 5 is 10. Ito na yung sagot natin. No? So, multiply mo lang yung sa taas, multiply mo yung sa baba. Yun na yun. Number 2. What is 7 over 5 times 8 over 5? Okay. So, ganun din. We multiply the numerator. That's 56 over 25. No? 5 times 5 is 25. This is in improper. So, pwede natin gawing mix, no? Madalas sa elementary tsaka sa high school ang improper ginagawa talagang mix, no? Pero pag nag-college na kayo, madalas hindi na rin sinsimplify ito, no? So, pag improper na siya, okay na yan. But again, you ask your teacher, no, kung anong mas preferred niya. So, 56 divided by 25, that's 2 times 25, 50. So, subtract natin. 56 minus 50 is 6. So, again, this is a conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Ito yung whole number natin, ito yung numerator natin, at ito yung denominator natin. So, magiging 2 and 6 over 25. No? To double check, dapat yung denominator nyo dito, dapat yun din yung denominator nyo dito. Okay? Number 3. What is 3/4 times 1/2 times 4/5? So, kung more than 2 fractions siya, ganun din. Just multiply all the numerator. 3 times 1 times 4, that's 12. 4 times 2 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. No? Okay? Hindi pa siya naka-lowest term, so pwede natin i-lowest term siya. Pag dinivide natin ng by 4, no? So, just find a number that divides both the numerator and the denominator. No? Pinakamalaking number at dito pinakamalaking number natin ay 4. Pwede kasing by 2, di ba? So, magiging equal to 3 over 10. So, naka-lowest terms na siya. Kung hindi mo makuha yung pinakamalaking number, kumari 2. Kumari malalaking number siya, tapos hindi mo makuha. 2 lang kunwari. 2. So, magiging 6 over 20. No? Hindi pa rin. No? So, hanggat hindi naging lowest term siya, pwede pa rin natin i-divide. So, mag-negative. Mag-divide 2, that becomes 3 over 10. So, ang strategy is hindi mo titigilan hanggat hindi siya na lowest terms. No? Okay, so that's it. Ang susunod na pag-aaralan natin is paano naman mag-multiply ng mixed fractions. No? Okay, so maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.